Number 5. Crock-Pot 6 quart. 4 ways to cook: slow cook, fast cook, pressure cook, brown/saute, or steam. 8 fast cook settings for a variety of quick. 1-touch digital control with delay start capability. Dishwasher safe 6 quart non-stick cooking pot. Airtight locking lid stays locked until pressure is released for added safety. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Instant Pot Smart Wi-Fi. Combines 8 kitchen appliances in one with 13 smart programs to save you space. Monitors pressure, temperature, keeps time, and adjusts heating intensity. Alexa and Wi-Fi enabled. Stainless steel steam rack with handles, rice paddle, soup spoon. Power supply 120V to 60 Hz. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Melfi Multi-Pot. 2 dishes at once and stainless steel pot. 14 easy touch cooking programs. An extra silicone gasket, silicone mitts, steamer basket, 4 cm raised steam rack/trivet. Recipes and videos on Melfi mobile app. 9 appliances in one. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Ninja Foodi. Tender crisp technology allows you to quickly cook ingredients. Pressure cook up to 70% faster versus traditional cooking methods. Air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. 6.5 quart ceramic coated pot. 14 levels of safety. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 80. 7 kitchen appliances in one. Features 14 smart programs. Healthy, stainless steel, 18/8, inner cooking pot made from food grade 304. Built with the latest 3rd generation technology. Power supply, 120V to 60 Hz. Please check the description for details and best price.